In lesson 4, we answer this question. Why is the air near the ground warmer than the air higher up? We're going to see a video of an investigation into the air temperature in different locations in the same different parts of this picture here, in the different surfaces above the ground and right near the ground. What is it we're trying to figure out? Why is the air near the ground warmer than the air higher up? What data do we need to collect? You have a data sheet in your binder. The ground surface number 1, and we're going to pause the video perhaps, or you can pause it if you're watching on your own. The ground is a light brown with black rocks embedded into the ground. That should be written on your data sheet. At ground surface number 1, the temperature near the surface is 77.2 degrees. Again, you can pause the video and write that number down. The incoming light changes just a little bit as we hold the meter, but it's about 911 or 912 units. That was the incoming light, and the reflected light is about 177 units. Now you can see how they're holding that. And then the temperature of the air 4 feet above that spot was 73.6. Pause the video and write all those numbers down. Ground surface number 2, the ground surface where the ground is rocky and darker in color than the first surface. So that's the description of the surface. So it's darker and it's rocky. The temperature at the surface is 79 degrees. The incoming light at surface number 2 is about 870, 875, 873. There's a 875 just popped up. That's the light hitting that surface. The reflected light in the next column is going to be about 95, it looks like, depending on how we hold our light meter. See, they're pointing it down towards the surface to capture the reflected light. And the temperature 4 feet above the ground is 78.6. On ground surface 3, which is a completely gray flat surface without any rocks in it, this gray is almost white in color. The surface temperature is 74.1. And the incoming light is around 903. It goes back and forth, but it's about 903, we'll say. And the reflected light, where they turn the meter upside down to show what's reflecting off the surface, is going to be about 350 to 355, somewhere in there. 351. And the temperature 4 feet above that surface is 67.1. 67.1. So you can replay the video, make sure you get all these data written down in your binder on the right page.